We are at night 5.
Mangkot na ako sila na.
Oh, can you use it? The content creator will use it first. The second content creator.
Okay. Okay.
So just put on the camera. No.
No, I don't care. Oh wait, already one. Already one. What, only this?
Yes. Yep. Only one. Okay, go. You use it all?
Yeah. Oh, who cares? Let me try. I'll try with no things.
No.
If I use this. You have so many men.
I don't know.
Go forward. We have so many men. Wait, we need to go make them back first. So if this moves lower than attack! Pew! They're deadlock. See, they're cooked.
Use your spinny thing later.
Pew!
You miss.
It's cooked, look. See? Oh, nice, that cook. Pew! Nice, so deadly.
Shit na, happy mode. Use your feet. Use your spinny thing.
Wait, it's not even...
Spinny thing, ara na. Or just look at that destruction. Oh.
Who's that? Who's that?
Chitor?
Oh, 4.
Ha? Oo. Manaw? Basta nang ba? Nahaboy ko na.
Nah, it won't.
Manaw, anong manaw? Oh, parachute.
We have so many. No, wait, it's finally morning. Finally morning. No, why do you have unlimited?
Because it's happy mode.
It said it's so lag. It said it's so lag. That's why you lag in TSD? Because of happy mode?
Yeah.
Lag?
Log in.
It's so lag because because you use happy mode.
Of course. No, when you don't need to use hacks. You don't need to download it on hacks. You just need to download it on happy mode so that you can exploit in Roblox. Like in the Strongest Valorant, you can fly. You
I
can
see
actually-
random player named Tubers. Then he started flying.
What?
Yeah, Tubers. Tubers 92.
Daddy.
No. Gay?
Yeah.
Nah. Gay. 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 No.
Slow tanky armor. Tanky. Oh shoot.
Butcher, attack!
Mojang. Ay, tuod na. Mojang.
Oh my god, there he is.
No. Tuod na. Attack! Whee! End of the ball.
Oh, we need more reinforcements. Archie don't though?
Cheat.
Archie don't rain?
Yep. For the
But
love
there's
of
no even
God.
Archie don't rain. There's no even Archie don't rain. That's the rain. Oh yeah. Oh my god, 5 men died.
Oh shoot.
If it's one another.
Who this?
There will be 2 giants attacking.
Oh look. Night 7. Finally, day 8.
The Pampos ah.
Freezes.
Where's the other? Where's the other?
Oh yes, I can. Day 9.
Ah, ayun.
Ta-da!
2 lightning beasts. Another one.
No, kayo, 49.
Gakos na sa 4. 4 ano? Gakos na sa 4? Ga 4, ano, mente dapat may madula nga, ano nga 4 man.
Yep. Why?
Another 3.
For the love of my God.
We got attack! You literally have so many men. And you don't even attack! There's already 2 beasts.
Attack! Beanstalk event.
Puro stock ano, ng level up. Ulit up.
Baka lu na kaya level 30 na ko na.
Ikaw?
Ano maka sa kabilo?
Kalaglag, guro.
Talaga ba triple na?
Wala pa nag-update.
Lain kayo mga signal, no? Yung lain.
Sa amon man gani kit F. Sa amon man gani signal wala man. Binukas na lang gani mama.
Manaw.
So wifi ka mo.
Pero gagana lang.
KFB gagana lang gamay. Nga kasunod. Kit 5. Kana ni fiber. Kit fiber. With the plane. Grabe amon nga plane daw.
Ah.
Ning 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 ning. Skip. Araw, bulit.
Ako kay pirat mo kabilo. Yung trade ko lang.
Ay, ba pwede hindi si fire mo. Ha? See that? Oo, daw vlog test na yan.
Ano ka nag-guess guro ya? Budget na guro ya?
Lupo, kamotor.
Kasi bala dyan, ano kayo mag-iyo dyan?
Wala ko gigiho.
Why jagi? Ano ginakitik ka mag ano? Aka na ga. Yes. Ano? Ang bata. Na. Gaya na na. Ano ga mo gabi? Muga na. Muga na. Dili yung muga ano ang ilay? Masulod kita. Hindi na nga andra sa babuyan. Dili ba? Named. Oh. Ha? Now,
Gusto ko tuloy si Cupcake.
Wala to bala kung mapatay ang mga
Kung sumbagon mo si Cupcake, mapibibita.
na.
If I punch Cupcake once.
Kung magpatay ang mga enemy na kung ma-explode sila.
Ha?
Oh. Oh. I-explode din sila.
kung kape, manog amin na
Oh, magpatay sila. Oh. Punta lang bala. Wait for it. Wait for it. Wait for it. And skadoosh. Boom!
Kung mampakan ko ulit si Cupcake ng ano, kill mo ko.
Sure. I mean, no.
I'm gonna kill
no.
Cupcake.
I-kill mo siya. Do whatever you want.
Hey, di ba ma-join lang ko to? Ginatakaw na yun.
Kaya Abinias Ranger ka, boom. Like that.
So, hinatak. Roll for guts. Even if he blocks, the hunter girls will still get to him.
Yan eh.
Even Brostone Nobs. Brostone Nobs, sige sa gamit-gamit crowd ba? Gamo na siya, random sa Hammer Hill.
Yan eh. Kaya
Tapos ga Spirelings lang na.
hindi siya kabalo kung ano.
0 wins.
0 wins.
I only have 494 wins.
494. Mga ko 450 ka na bala. Get one last kill, bra.
32 kills po, maka na kung ano. At heck! Kelly playing Grow Garden.
Quack, 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 quack.
Gunner playing Grow Garden. I think he's noob.
Ano?
Just like a Grow Garden. You see him, Kung may ma-attack, ma-explode na sila tanan.
Hmm.
Oh, bro,
Yeah,
Carl, why the zombie doing this? Kamay sa
Dilan.
Carl,
Mm-mm.
Carl, may ka-backflip to, Carl.
Hmm?
Kita mo tong gampak?
Mm-mm.
Ga-backflip.
What the heck?
Kita mo to? Ha, Carl? Ha?
Napatay ko. What?
How did you die?
I have no idea.
Attack! We need more! We need more healers, bro.
Oh, healers. Tang.
Giant.
No, ito lang.
Giant. Attack! Sino itong nag-iosay mo sa Sky Rider? Oh my god, the king of the land. Oh, the king of No Man's Land. Ba king na isang No Man's Land?
Oh.
Bro, why is he so painful? The king of No Man's Land. May explode naman na sila kung ang pakon sila.
I have no idea. Oh, yep, it's like...
Someone, no one. Oh my god, 62 over 50. Oh my god.
Hindi gamit chip.
Oh my god, bro. Kami wala no.
Grabe nga skin fire blazing ba?
Try be wala be gamit nga cheat.
Hindi ko.
Now, you're scared.
Nakasurvive lang ko 13 nights sa wala cheat. Normal.
You're scared. Diba, try ba?
Hindi ko.
You're scared.